Hello and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor, and today I am back with another episode of 60-Second Accountancy. If you are new to this channel and have no idea about this series, 60-Second Accountancy is a series in which I share some of my accounting tips and tricks which might help you to solve your accounting problems easily. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Anyways, today's tip is related to capital. Do you ever struggle to identify a capital transaction? If you do, then today's video is for you. To solve this problem, first you should know what do you mean by capital. Capital is any asset or liability which is brought in by the owner in order to start the business. Here the phrase to start the business is very important and it is the solution to your problem. Whenever a transaction mentions that the owner is bringing some assets and liabilities in order to start the business, then that transaction is to be treated as a capital transaction. You should not even give it a second thought. Whenever a businessman brings anything for the business, that becomes the capital for the business. May it be assets such as cash, stock, debtors, etc. or may it be liabilities like a loan. So whenever an owner brings anything into the business, you should mark that transaction as a capital transaction and pass its journal entry. Normally, the first transaction is always the transaction of capital where a businessman brings something in order to start the business. I hope this tip helps you. If you like today's tip, then please like my video and share it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can use the comment box down below. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmaypvttutor signing off. Good luck and take care.